Considering various different income streams as an artist can mean more time to yourself to work on your actual art. This also leads to less worrying about making next month's rent. In this video, I'm going to explain what passive income is, why it's essential, and the ideas to create passive income and boost your income as soon as possible. Hi guys, I'm Cai Nai and I'm an artist, illustrator and creator of things. Number one on the list today is print on demand. Print on demand sites are where your artwork is printed on different products ranging from things like phone cases, cushions, tote bags, wall art. It's a great way of seeing a steady revenue stream coming in, and if your art's good enough, you can reap the benefits for a very long time. You can see more about that in my video that I made about print on demand. Your original content. You're obviously going to produce pieces of artwork, so naturally enough, one of the easiest ways for you to be able to find and generate passive income is to create and sell your art. One of the best ways to sell content is looking at content purchasing sites, and there's a lot of them. Creative Market is one of the best places to be able to do this, as they're my number one to go to for selling digital assets such as graphics, fonts, photos, and website themes. Online courses. If you got the brains, creating and selling an online course in areas of art that you specialize in, this has become an extremely popular in recent times and is one of the best ways you can create passive income. Record the videos, audio once, and then every time the course sells, you're going to be making money from it. Licensing. Art licensing is where you grant a company a license to use your art for a particular purpose, typically to help sell things. And then you take a cut of the sales each time something with your artwork is sold. You can get art licensing deals with well-known brands and businesses, but there are many things you need to know before you commit to doing this, so do your research. I'll create a more in-depth guide to this in the future. Subscription services. If you have a strong social media presence and following, one of the best things you can do is to create subscription services that you can use to help you make money. There are endless ways that you can do this, like grant access to new videos, exclusive previews of work, behind the scenes, live streams, etc, etc. Now, there are a lot of things to maintain and upkeep with this, and it is important that you make sure that you're focused on finding the best subscription service to use. Patreon is what I use as a subscription service, and it is certainly one of the most popular and one to check out. Create an online shop. As an artist, you need to own your own website. Sorry, Etsy, not sorry. And with that, an online store. Digital downloads are super handy as you don't have to lift a finger for people to get their purchases. There are plenty of great ways being able to do this. I use Square as they take care of my online transactions, but I have my doubts about them sometimes. Create a blog. Blogging was all the rage back in 2006, and I'm bringing it back, baby. The advantage of blogging is that it's easier than ever to monetize your blog as one of the best forms of passive income for artists. It's a great stream to consider, and there are loads of things to take note here. Blogging about your art and using your blog as a platform to promote your artwork is one of the best ways of achieving this. Think long and hard about the way your blog is presented and how this is going to help you when making money. An easy way to sell your art online through your blog is by embedding the art commission forms directly onto your content. Gallery representation. This is the dream of all artists everywhere around the world. Seeing your work available in galleries for the masses to see is something that many of us strive for, but it can be difficult to achieve. The gallery will deal with everything so that you don't have to. The only drawback here is the gallery will take a chunk of your sales, so you have to be okay with that if you are going to make some regular sales. And YouTubers are so popular these days, and it is definitely worth taking the time to create video content as an artist, like I'm doing right now. You can use your YouTube channel to achieve so much, and this is why it's important to have one in order to create more interest in your work. You can also make passive income from the channel by finding a way to monetize it. It's not guaranteed to find instant success on YouTube. You'll need to fulfill certain caveats before you're able to start monetizing your YouTube channel, but once you get there, it can be a great way to earn passive income and become like an influencer. Affiliate marketing. One of the easiest but most tedious ways of making a bit of extra income is to get involved in affiliate marketing. This is where you use your platform to promote someone else's business or product and they pay you for the trouble. Now, this is something that you can integrate and make a huge part of what you already got. Affiliate marketing is an excellent way to not only generate extra income, but also to develop existing relationships and network in the right way. And that's all I think I have to say. Yeah. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, you know what to do. Tell me something funny in the comments. Come on. Don't just pretend you didn't see this. I can see it in my analytics. If you did make it to the end of this video though, thank you very much. You're a fucking legend. I don't know you, but I like you a lot for doing that. I make a new video every Wednesday. Hit that subscribe and you can be notified about it. You never miss my pretty face. I would also like to finish off this video by saying thank you to my patrons. If you'd like to support me on Patreon, you can do so by following the link I left down below. Have a great week.